looks like swimming, isn't it?
It does look like swimming. Do you think they like that?
Yeah. Both of them.
Which one is your dog?
Scout.
How old are you going to be in 2 days, Harmony?
5.
Does that mean you're going to be in kindergarten?